Hello everyone, welcome to the Knacklers workshop. I'm going to show you another gift that I've received, and it's from Neil, who's got a channel called Nell's Mechanical Man Cave, and Neil is in the he lives here in the UK in Wales, and I know the area he lives in reasonably well because I travel up there to the velodrome, and what Neil's kindly given to the channel is it's an optical centre punch, and he's got a really good video, and he shows how he's manufactured this and how to use it. And this is 3D printed, and he's got some plans for all the files you need to print these, and I think he's comfortable with making them available to anyone who needs would like to have a go. So this section here, the optics, is from a like a jeweler's loop, is that how they pronounce it? And it's you can purchase them fairly cheaply on eBay, and then you print the rest of it and the bases, and away you go. You have to. So what what I need to do is to make an actual centre punch. So to go in, and I'll show that in another video at some time in the future. But for those of you who are not sure, basically it allows you, you're not sure what it's for. It allows you to view through there at a magnified sort of vision, and you can line it over the area you want to centre pop, and then you can put your centre pop, or your centre punch goes through the hole, and then you can actually make the mark very clearly without or very accurately. Yeah. Also, 𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, Neil was kind enough to give him one. He's got a good video that shows how. I think he shows his one. He actually shows it in action, so he's a little bit ahead of me on that one. So Neil's he's fairly new to YouTube, and he's been restoring a milling machine, and that's been quite interesting. And also setting up his most recent video, or at the time of making this one, was regarding a shop vac setup, and it's how he's got some trunking around his workshop. It's really good actually, and I may copy some of those ideas in the grinding room that I'm setting up. So yeah, so that's about it. So thank you very much, Neil. And as you know, anyone want to see, if you want to see how to make this, or how Neil made this, I'll put a link to his channel in the video description, and I'm sure he'll give you a warm welcome if you go over and say hello. So as always, stay happy, strong and healthy, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheerio.